My name is Riley Byrne. I was born with a body deformity called Pectus Excavatum, and this is my story. Pectus excavatum is a condition resulting in a hole in the middle of the chest and flared ribs. Growing up, I was completely depressed about my body and had zero confidence. As you can see here, I was always trying to hide my condition, putting my hands over my indented chest, doing everything I could to not let people see my body. As I grew older into my teens, I became extremely lanky. This, combined with my pectus, resulted in absolutely no self-esteem. At the age of 16, I decided to join a gym in an attempt to build muscle and improve my body. I started to progress. My muscles slowly grew, and with it came my confidence. Two years later, I got approached by a modelling agency, and I was now confident enough to do a topless photo shoot. As my body developed and my pectus became less noticeable, every aspect of my life began to improve. From this point on, I became obsessed with the gym, on a constant pursuit of bettering my body every single day. I moved to the Gold Coast and I became bigger, stronger, more successful with modelling, and just way more confident in my own skin. I had a realisation as to how much weightlifting transformed my body, but more importantly, my entire life. So I started filming my workouts and posting YouTube videos to motivate others to change their bodies and take control of their lives. However, the journey was not over for me yet. In fact, it was just beginning. I committed myself fully to training and proper nutrition. And my body continued to progress. I documented the entire journey in an attempt to inspire others to take action and transform their bodies. My hard work was now paying off, and I started to develop a body and a lifestyle that I never could have previously imagined. After years of training, I finally managed to overcome my condition of pectus through exercise, and am finally happy with my body. Bodybuilding has changed my life. I've gone from a skinny, self-conscious boy, terrified to take off my shirt, to proud and confident in my own body.
It has now been almost a decade since I overcame my pectus with exercise. In this time, I've coached thousands of people from all around the world to do the same thing. I've also continued to develop my own physique and strength. In 2019, I even won a bodybuilding show, proving that you can have an amazing body with Pectus Excavatum. This was an incredible achievement for me and a milestone for the Pectus community. I am now able to sustainably maintain a body that I'm confident in, a body that makes my pectus hardly noticeable. My training is now driven by new goals, to become as strong, fit, and capable as possible. I believe this to be an important pivot in the pursuit of happiness with your body. My mission now is simple and remains true: to help as many people with Pectus Excavatum gain confidence in their bodies. This is so much more than a body transformation. This is a life transformation.